Hello guys again. Today it's about testing this Parkside Engraving tool. Well, here we have some materials for our coffee. We have an iron, a glass, a plastic. Let's try from the glass. Into the glass we can scribing. Well, let me see. I would definitely like to do the smile. Yeah, why not? It's very easy. Just put it here. Take some tape to be more secure, and with that button you can start, and this is how hard you can engraving. I think here is okay. Let's see how it looks. Wow! I just love it. Let's put a smile to our face. Nice, nice, very nice. Let's try the metal. Why not? And let's do a snowman. A little more. Because it's a metal, it doesn't have a problem to break. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, wow, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm definitely going to do a project with a glass. Okay, let's try it where else to a plastic. Yeah, why not? Plastic, I will definitely do. The others are too small, but why not this for our email? Yeah. And another one. Let's see how it looks. And here it is. Very nice. Well, and next I want to do it in this cup. Here I'll do something small. A star. Why not? Let's try it. Well, I don't see it going very good to that. Okay. Let's try it here. Let's do a shape. Yeah. Oh, I think it was good. Definitely I love into the metal and into the glass. It was very beautiful. Yeah, you get how it works that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and share this video. Well, it only costs 9 euros. Why not to buy it? It's 9 euros only. Have fun with that. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.